dugsiga boardingka iyo maalinlaha ah ee Amano Boarding and Day School.
Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Now, as you look at this screen, you'll be able to see the timetable. That's end of year exams timetable. I want you to be following this timetable very keenly. Look at the days, dates, and the subjects you are going to have your exams. We have on 6th English. The following day we shall be doing revision. Monday we have social. The following day we do revision. Wednesday we have maths. The following day revision. Science revision. Islamic revision. Then Arabic. We finish our exams on 20th of June. So I expect you to follow this timetable. Follow everything that you are told. Follow the instructions in every exam that you are going to do. And also remember to write your names and your classes in that exam sheet that you are going to do. So let's go to today's work. I'm going to explain to you the topics on which your exams will be coming from, so that you can be revising only the topics, then you revise on those topics. We have here the number positions. The number positions, we call them the ordinals. That is first. We write first, second, third, all the way up to 9. So you are going to be tested on the number positions. Revise on the number positions. Just know how to write the number and the position. This is the number and this is the position. Also, we shall be testing on the number patterns. That is like the patterns in ones, twos, like 300, 301, 302. That is in ones. In twos, it's the same as 0, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6. Those are in twos. In threes, 0, 3, 6, 9. In fives, it's like 0, 5, 10, 15. You only add 5, 5. In tens, it's like 10, 20, 30. Those are in tens. So revise on the number patterns, all of them. We shall have also on the place values up to thousands. In the place values, we have the ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands. So learn on the place values of numbers up to thousands. We shall also look at the number in words up to 100. Revise on how to write numbers in figures and words up to 100. I've given you some examples here. In tens, that's 10, 20, up to 100. But for you, you'll be asked, maybe you say how we call this one. That is 70, then 272. 72. So revise on this number in words and figures up to 100. Let's look at the next topic that we are going to test you on. We shall also test on addition of 3-digit number with 1-digit number without carrying. So when we add 3-digit number by 1-digit number, we have to start with the ones. That is, we add these numbers according to their place values. Like 4 plus 4, it's 8. These 3, I bring it here. These 2, I bring it the other side. The next is addition of 3-digit number by 1-digit number with carrying. First thing, arrange these numbers according to their place values. So we add 6 plus 5 is 11. I write 1, I carry 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. I write 6 here. This 4, I bring it here. Also we look at addition of 3 single digit numbers, like 6 plus 6 plus 3. We find it's 15. That means we have to add 6 plus 6, that is 12. 12 plus 3, we find it's 15. We add them, the 2 first, the answer we get, then we add 3. The next part is the capacity. We measure capacity in liters. So what we shall look at most is how we add the capacity, addition of the capacity in liters, like 2 liters plus 4 liters equals to 6 liters. So we shall look at on how we add the capacity. Also the measurements. We shall look at the mass. How do we measure the mass? We measure mass in kilograms. Then you have to know how we subtract mass in kilograms. For example, 8 kilograms, I take away 2 kilograms, I find it is 6 kilograms. So practice on how to subtract mass in kilograms. Addition of meters, this is the same as like 4 meters. I plus 2 meters equals to 6 meters. Practice on how we add the meters. Also the multiplication table up to 5 times 5. You can say 1 times 5, 2 times 5, all the way you practice up to table 5, and you will be able to solve those questions. Also we have a division like 20 divided by 5 we did in our classwork, where we said you only need to count the 20, you count maybe the 5 zeros, those are 5, then count 20 sticks, that is you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then you count 1, 2, 3, 4. We find it is 4. So much of it we did in our classroom. Now, how do we tell time when we are given the clock? How do we tell time when we are given the clock? This is my clock. We have to look at the minute hand and the hour hand. When minute hand is pointing at 12, we call it o'clock. Hour hand is pointing at 9. That's why we say it's 9 o'clock. So all these topics that I've already explained, expect some questions to come from there. That means take much of your time to revise. This is the last exam you are having for this academic year, and once you pass this exam well, then you will be promoted to the next class. So work hard and be serious with your exams. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best in these exams.